Hi everybody, it's Peg, and this is the fast version of AJOS sharing live stream that Chelsea and I do each week on Thursday morning. And this is my portion of that video sped up. We were working with fiber today, and so I wanted to show you kind of what we did. If you want to see the full version, then go over to AJOS sharing channel and you can watch the full hour-and-a-half session. This is really condensed down. I'm showing you my process for making these fabric papers for using in collage. I'm just pulling out some different papers and going to tear them up and glue them onto some mixed media paper, and just showing you the process of what I go through to create these. Nothing more than gluing paper down and then moving on to some washi tape and then adding some fibers like sari ribbon or cut up pieces of fabric, doilies, whatever you happen to have. You know, it's what you have in your stash, ribbons, all of that sort of thing can become part of your collage. But this is just how I make a parent sheet to create other things from for those collage papers, for those collage pieces, excuse me, not papers. So, yeah, I'll work through the process of making this paper, show you, how I can cut this paper up and create other pieces for collage. And then I'll move on to making an art doll. Shell was making a beautiful collaged piece with her fabrics, and if I would encourage you to go over and watch Shell's. She'll probably have a fast version and a complete version for you. You can see that what I've done is I've gone through with a sewing machine then and stitched everything down in a random pattern, and then I can start cutting this up into pieces that can be used. I'm just showing some tie-back and other pieces that I used in this particular piece of paper, collage paper. And then I'm showing how you can take some sari ribbon and stitch it around the edge of your cutout pieces just to give it another layer of dimension. So nothing hard about this, just doing a little whip stitch around the edge to complete my piece. So if you're not familiar with AJOS Sharing, we are a Facebook group where we share our art in what we like to do with one another. So I hope you can join us over there. We also have Pick a Stick Challenge, which will be coming out tomorrow. That's the first Friday of the month. And here's a couple more little of the wish dolls or art totems or whatever. And so, okay, I'm just going to go through the process of what I go through to use the fibers and create these little dolls. I'm going to let you watch the video and we'll speed things up. And yeah, just these are paper clay molded pieces and popsicle sticks and nothing expensive, something that you could do with the kids and just have an enjoyable time. I'm also showing you some different things that I have in my collection, going to the secondhand store, picking up pieces of fabric and things that would make beautiful journal covers. So that's it from me for this week. Enjoy the video and relax, and I'll talk to you again next time. So remember, you make a difference, and bye for now.